Hey, Dr. Barnes, good afternoon.
Thank you for having me.
Just share with anybody maybe watching this who you are and what your practice is all about.
I'm a board certified family medicine trained physician here in Cartersville. Started a practice called Georgia Direct Family Care that's 100% owned by us. Um, Practicing medicine the old fashioned way, we like to say.
Yeah.
Long visits, none of that 8 minute in and out visit where you wait for 45 minutes to see the doc, then they're in and out real quick. We spend up to an hour with our patients if they need more, if needed. Get people in the same day or the next day at the latest, and just kind of taking everything back to the way that seems like it should be done.
Yeah. So tell us a little bit about not or traditional medicine. I heard you mention that versus kind of what you guys do, how you do what you do.
Sure. So the model we practice under is called direct primary care. What our patients do is they pay us a flat monthly fee. It's based on your age, but for most people, it's a $79 monthly fee. And for that, you get unlimited primary care and urgent care needs from us. Thus, we try to keep it really simple. We want to save folks time and money and put healthcare back in their hand. It's been great because we had telemedicine built into our services already, and you don't have to jump through the hoop of an office visit with a copay and a bill in the mail just to get the blood pressure medicine that you need and is working. With me, I just ask if you want me to have it ready for you at our office. So we've hopefully been making things a lot easier, affordable, and time efficient for our patients, which has felt like a great win-win for both us and the patients.
Yeah, absolutely. It sounds like, which is really cool, that you're ahead of the game now after all this pandemic stuff that's going on. And with us doing personal injury, a lot of times we're seeing people who are delaying treatment because they don't have health insurance, because they don't want to pay that copay, and heaven forbid another symptom come up. So, talk to us a little bit about what you can offer. Again, I know what you can from my clients, but maybe somebody who's watching this and maybe has been in that situation.
No, and that's such an important point. I've seen many times, where people do delay getting the care they need because, like you said, that financial barrier, that fear of that bill and the burden that it'll put on your family, that is a real thing. And so that's where hopefully that, what we do over here has been helpful to people to be able to get that same day, next day appointment, to get evaluated, to not let something that either seems simple or may not present right away from turning into something permanent. And that's been something that it's been a pleasure working with you and your team over there, and y'all are so great about getting folks the attention that they need, and oftentimes it isn't right away, certainly after an auto accident. And I've been there personally, and I try to carry that over into my visits with the patients. I mean, that's some of the most vulnerable I've ever felt, mortal. And
Yeah.
it's a scary time. You're not sure exactly what to do and when to do it. And so I think having a good team, to help be there and be available to you is so important. And that's why I want to thank you for what you do. I've
Oh.
been there, been able to be both your client and your friend, and so
Yeah.
helpful. And so
Yeah.
hopefully on our end, I hope to always uphold that part as well, is to be there for them in in some of people's worst times of their lives, to help them, to give the support and get them on the mend as quick as we can. Don't want anybody to, like I said, avoid the permanent injury, and do as good a job as we can always do.
Absolutely. Well, listen, Doctor, it's always a pleasure. You know that. Is there anything else maybe that you want to tell somebody about yourself or about anything they should know?
We're free to always free to talk to or come in for a consultation. Georgia Direct Family Care. My cell phone is 770-651-0550.
Well, listen, Doctor, thank you so much. And I can tell you firsthand, I mean, the rave reviews that I get from my clients after meeting with you is so, and that's so important. I'm the same way with you. I'm a big people person and want to make sure that, yeah, we're doing the things the right way, just the way that you are. So thank you so much for your time. And like I said, I appreciate you being there for us and for our clients.
My pleasure, man. My pleasure. Have a great day.
All right, you too, buddy. Thanks a bunch.
Bye bye.